Okay, just a quick demonstration of a new tool that we've got here at Techni in the UK. This is our CPC 28 hydraulic wire rope cutter. Now this tool will cut from 12mm strand and it'll cut up to 16mm diameter steel wire rope. Its minimum cut size is about 4mm, so that's about the smallest cable you want to attempt to cut with this. Just to give you a quick look, it comes in this little case. It's a very lightweight tool. It's small, compact, considering what it can actually cut. It's got a simple operation, just this little wheel here, turn it there, and that actuates the system. Very fast approach speed on the blade. The blades are replaceable, so if they start to get blunt, we actually use stock replacement product now. And this section and the little blade that's on the ram are easily removed and replaced. Opens with a little catch here, so very secure, but also very easy to actually open and put on an intermediate length of cable like that. So if you wanted to cut that section there, that's a real advantage of that. Just show you the tool in action. This is actually a 10mm stainless steel cable that we're going to cut with it. I'll just put my glasses on for safety, and I can actually feed this cable straight into the tool in this instance. So you just turn the wheel forwards to actuate the tool, and the blade's already impacted the cable now, so it's starting to cut. I'll show you, it's actually no effort at all to use this tool on what's quite a hard cable to cut normally. There you go, and it's just straight through. Nice neat cut on the cable, and nice neat cut cable end. So this tool's now available from us at Techni UK. Thanks for watching.